My name is Dr. Fuller. I would like to introduce you to the mathematical world around you. Integers are a special type of number that includes all the whole numbers and their opposites. Integers are a type of number in the real number family, and real numbers are the numbers most people use at home, work, and play. Negative numbers are values less than 0. Negative numbers can represent things like temperature or money. Negative values that are further away from 0 are smaller in value than those closer to 0. Positive numbers are values greater than 0. You have been working with positive numbers since you started counting. And 0? Well, it is just 0. In my mathematical world, I have one little problem. I was in an accident and visited a physical therapist to get better. Physical therapists measure range of motion when they work with their patients. Range of motion is defined by the angle through which a joint moves and can be compared to an expected integer. Suppose your knee should bend 120 degrees. When the knee is straight, this position is 0. During the evaluation, Dr. Azad notes that my knee only bends 98 degrees. She represents this measurement as negative 22. My knee needs to bend 22 degrees more to be at what is expected for a healthy knee. After 20 minutes of strengthening exercises, my knee extends to 96 degrees, or negative 24. Dr. Azad said this was normal because my knee is tired after working and cannot bend as much. The next appointment is 2 days later. Dr. Azad said my knee extends 108 degrees, or negative 12. We can see the improvement in my knee as the integer is closer to 0 than it was at the starting point. What do you think will be an acceptable integer once my therapy is complete? The ankle should bend towards the knee at 10 degrees from the relaxed position, but extend away to about 45 degrees. My ankle bends toward the knee at 12 degrees and extends away about 28 degrees during the evaluation. What integers did Dr. Azad note? Does my ankle bend toward the knee more or less than expected? Dr. Azad writes down negative 12 for my ankle extending away on the second visit and negative 20 on the third. Explain what may have happened to my ankle between the second and third visits. I also hurt my shoulder, so my therapist measures 3 motions: flexion, abduction, and internal rotation. Flexion is when you rotate your arm from down to up in front of the body with the arm fully extended. Typically, you should be able to rotate your shoulder 180 degrees. I can only rotate 175 degrees. What integer did Dr. Azad write down? After the second visit, the integer is negative 1. Did I improve or get worse? How many degrees am I from normal? Abduction is rotation with the arm fully extended from down to up to the side of the body, and 180 degrees is expected. During the first visit, my integer is negative 12. How many degrees can I rotate my arm to the side? After the second visit, my rotation is 173 degrees. What integer did Dr. Azad write down? After the third visit, Dr. Azad writes down 1. Which visit was the closest to normal? Finally, internal rotation is when you lift your arm to put your hand behind your head. This motion is similar to washing your hair and is measured at 90 degrees for someone without injury. During the first visit, Dr. Azad wrote down -4. She wrote down 2 after the second visit and -5 on the third. On which visit did I have the best range of internal rotation? On which visit did I have the worst? Take a look, and you will see a mathematical world around you filled with integers and other real numbers. Not only do integers appear in everyday life, they also appear in many areas of work because integers are a great way to represent differences or changes away from an expected baseline value.